Welcome to the VinascoFX. In this video, you will learn how to deposit via Perfect Money. The process is very simple. Visit VinascoForex.com and log into your VinascoFX account. Go to the VinascoFX dashboard. Go to Deposits and click on Deposit Now under the Deposits section. Choose Perfect Money method provided in the Deposit Methods in the menu. Fill in the amount that you want to deposit and click on Next. Simply scan or copy the Perfect Money address with your Perfect Money wallet that you are using. Fill in the amount in the wallet to deposit section. Double-check the details and click on Send the payment. Make screenshot of successful transaction and go back to deposit area in your VinascoFX account. Click on Choose File and select Payment Proof of Successful Transaction. Click on Pay Now to submit your deposit request. The funds will be credited to your VinascoFX account. Your transaction status and history can be found in the deposit history. That's it. Now you are ready to trade. Thank you.